Wait, wait.
Go ahead.
Hi, boys and girls.
Hi, boys and girls. Welcome back to Math Review Minutes. I hope you enjoyed Word Problem Wednesday yesterday. Today is Thursday, April 2nd, and we are going to be moving on. In addition with regrouping, we're going to be adding two 3-digit numbers. We've only been doing 2-digit numbers. Today we're going to do 3-digit numbers. Okay, are you staying here or are you going to go watch TV?
Mama just works like...
Okay, Charlie's gonna hang out for a little bit. Yeah. So I just wanna remind you that a 3-digit number, what that means is it has a number in the hundreds place, the tens place, and the ones place. So an example of a 3-digit number would be something like 728. Okay?
1,200.
What that really means is 728 if we were to stretch that out into expanded form. Okay, so if we're adding two 3-digit numbers, I need another 3-digit number. So let's go with 141. I'm gonna make this one easy without regrouping, just so I can show you. The first thing we do, Charlie's gonna go with Daddy, okay? No, he's noisy. He's too noisy for this right now. All right, so the first thing we always do is start in the ones. Remember, look at the ones. 8 plus 1 more than 8 is 9. And then I can move over to the tens. I did not have to move anything over. 9 is fine to fit in that spot. 2 plus 4 is 6. Again, I don't have to move anything over, so I'm not putting anything up top here. And then I move over to my hundreds. 7 plus 1 is 8. So when you add 3-digit numbers, you start in the ones, just like you do when we add 2-digit numbers. We go ones, tens, hundreds. And sometimes we are going to have to regroup. So you can always put boxes up there if you like to, okay? Let's get started. Go get a piece of paper and a pencil, and we will work through 3 of these together. Let me get my board set up. The first one I'm going to do is, and remember, keep them nice and neat and your columns organized. $451 plus 234 is my first one. $733 plus 189 is my second. That's kind of a goofy one at the end for you. It would be a little bit different. You might have some things in it that make you go, Okay, go ahead, write these out. Take a couple minutes to try and solve them, and then we're gonna go over them together. So hit play again when you're ready to go over them. Okay, let's take a look at the first one. First thing we do is look at the ones. Boys and girls, something that I do with my class sometimes is we use a piece of paper if we need to cover up the other columns. So look at the ones. 1 plus 4 is 5. Then I can move over to the tens. I did not have to move anything. It was just plain old 5, so nothing went up here. 5 plus 3 was 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. I did not have to move anything into the hundred spot. So 4 plus 2, 4, 5, 6, 685. Okay, so that one was pretty easy. There was no regrouping at all. We did not have to move anything. Let's move over to the next one. Look at the ones. 3 plus 9. 9 is bigger than 3. So I'm going to put 9 in my head and go 9, 10, 11, 12. Ooh, I have to move it, move it. I have to move it, move it. The 1 goes up top. Okay, my answer was 12. The 1 goes up top. Now, 8 plus 3 is 11, and 1 more is 12 again. I have to move it, move it. It's not, and remember, this 1 here is really a group of 100 that's getting moved over here because this is the hundreds place now, okay? So 1 more than 7 is 8, and 1 more is 9. 922 was your answer for the second one. It's hard writing upside down. My numbers look so messy. The last one. Let's see how you did on this one. 4 plus 6 is 10. So a 0 goes there and a 1 goes up top. I have to move it, move it. 5 plus 5 is 10 again, but 1 more than 10 is 11. So I had to move a 1 up there again, which is really a group of 100. 1 plus 6 is 7, and 1 more is 8. Your answer was 810. So you have 0 ones, which is fine. 1 group of 10 and 8 hundreds. Okay, that was a quick review of 3-digit addition for you. Tomorrow we will be doing some practice problems to review 2-digit and 3-digit addition with regrouping. I'll see you then.